Welcome to another video of Class 3 Mathematics. Today we are going to continue with our chapter Subtraction. We will be dealing with how to subtract a 4-digit number with regrouping. You have 4765 minus 3186. How can we subtract? We always start from the ones place. So let's begin, children. 5 minus 6, but 5 is a smaller number. So what we will do? We will borrow from the nearest place. So 6 will become 5 and 5 will become 15. Now let's see how many numbers should be added to 6 to get 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 numbers. So we can write here 9. Now what about 5 minus 8? This is also not possible. So let's borrow from the nearest place. This is 6 and this will become 15. 15 minus 8. So 8 plus how many numbers? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 numbers. So 7. Now 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 minus 3, 1. So we got the answer as 1579. This is how we subtract a 4-digit number with regrouping. Okay, now let's see next. Another question. This is 3756 minus 1867. Starting with ones place. 6 minus 7. 6 is a smaller number, so we will have to borrow from the nearest place. So this will become 4 and 6 will become 16. Now add numbers to 7 to get 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 numbers. 4 minus 6. 4 is a smaller number, so we have to again borrow from the neighbor. Now this is 6 and this will become 14. Now 6 to 14, how many numbers we have to add? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 numbers. 6 minus 8. Again 6 is a smaller number, so we will borrow from 3 and this will become 2. 6 minus 8 is not possible, so we had made it 16. Now to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8. Now 2 minus 1, 1. So one by one we have to borrow and subtract. Now next we are going to see how to subtract 4-digit numbers with zeros. Okay, you can see a number 7060. How will you read this number? This is 7060 minus 3022. So at the end you can see 0 in the ones place. 0 minus 2 we cannot subtract because 0 is a smaller number than 2. So 0 minus 2 is how much? We cannot subtract, so we have to borrow from the nearest place. So 6 will become 5 and 0 will become what, children? 0 will become 10. Always remember, when you are borrowing and giving to 0 means 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 2 you have to do. So add numbers to 2. 2 plus how many numbers will give you 10? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 numbers. So 8. Now what about 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is what? 5 is a bigger number, 2 is a smaller number. So we can subtract. So add to 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 numbers. Okay. Next is 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is what, children? It's 0. What is 7 minus 3? To 3, add numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 4. So your answer is 4038. So always remember, children, when you are borrowing and giving to 0, 0 will become 10. Our next number is 8600 minus 5346. Now how to subtract? The first number in the ones place is 0. 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we will go to the next place, but again there you have 0. So what we will do? We go again to the next place. Here we have 6. So we can borrow from 6. This will become 5 and you will be giving 1. So this has become 10. Now this 10 can give 1 to 0, isn't it? So when 10 is giving 1, remember children, you have to make this 10 9 and this will become 10. Clear, children? So what has become? This has become 10. This 0 became 9. This is not 10 anymore. This is 9 and 6 became 5. So this we have to do it together, otherwise we will not get. So now 10 minus 6. So 6, how many numbers we have to add? 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 numbers. Now what is 9 minus 4? To 4 again you add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. 5 minus 3? It's 2. Now what is 8 minus 5? This has become 3. So your answer is 3254. Okay children, once again see what your number has become. 8600. 8600 minus 5346. So this number became 10 and this became what? 9. Remember children, when two zeros are coming together means first will be 10 and second will be 9 and the nearest number you will subtract 1 from it. So the same way you will be getting the answer. This is how we are subtracting. So let's see one more question children. 9200 minus 4328. So you remember how we did the previous question? So when you are doing, what will the first 0 become? This will become 10 and the next will become 9. This is only for zeros children. Remember, the first 0 will be 10 and the 0 next to it will be 9 and the number coming next to it we will subtract 1. Clear? This is how we are doing. Now 10 minus 8. 8, 9, 10. 2. 9 minus 2. To 2, how many numbers you will be adding? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 numbers. Now here you have 1 minus 3. 1 again is a smaller number than 3. So we have to borrow from the nearest place. So 9 will become 8 and 1 will become 11. Clear? Now 11 minus 3 means you have to again start adding to 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 numbers. 8. What is 8 minus 4? 8 is a bigger number, 4 is a smaller number. We can subtract. So 8 minus 4 means to 4 you start adding. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. So your answer is 4872. So what is the trick here children? Whenever two zeros are coming means more than one zero is coming together means always make the first one 10 and the second one 9. So again continuous zeros are coming means the next will be 9 itself. We can see how we are going to do. Our number is 4000 minus 2765. Okay, so here how many zeros are coming, and the zeros should come at the end. Okay children, 4 0 0 0. 3 zeros are coming continuously together, isn't it? So what we will do, the first will become 10 and the other 0 9, the next one also 9. For all these zeros we are borrowing from which number? The number nearest to 0. So 4 will become 3. Clear? Now what is 10 minus 5? 5. 9 minus 6? 7, 8, 9. 3. 9 minus 7? 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So your answer is 1235. So let's do a word problem children. Riya had 9,000 rupees with her. She spent 3,458 for buying a bicycle. How much money does she have now? So some amount she had spent. Some amount from it. What is the amount remaining with her? So spent means what? She has taken away. So we have to subtract. So let's see. Total money 9,000. Money spent 3,458. So let's subtract 9,000 minus 3,458 to get the money what is left with her. So we can see 3 zeros are coming together. So what we will do? We will be borrowing. So first 10 will become 0 will become 10. The others 9 and this is 8. Now what is 10 minus 8? 2. 9 minus 5? 4. 9 minus 4? 5. And 8 minus 3? 5. So your answer is 5,542. Next, we are going to study about properties of subtraction. We have two properties. The first property is when a number is subtracted by itself, the difference is always 0. So what is the first property children? When a number is subtracted by itself, the difference is 0. So let's see an example. 428 minus 428. 8 minus 8? 0. 2 minus 2? 0. 4 minus 4? 0. So what is your result children? 0. So if you do again 2-digit number, 3-digit or 4-digit numbers, if a number is subtracted by itself, it always gives you 0. Let's see one more example. 1456 minus 1456. 6 minus 6? 0. 5 minus 5? 0. 4 minus 4? 0. 1 minus 1? 0. So the result is 0. Let's see the second property. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is itself. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. What does that mean? You have to subtract 0 from a number. For example, 42 minus 0. 2 minus 0? 2. 4, you don't have a number, so it's 4 itself. 42. Let's see another example. 1858 minus 0. So the number which you subtracted from 0, after subtraction you are getting the number itself. Okay, so what was our first property? If you subtract a number by itself, you will get 0. And our second property is, if 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Relation between addition and subtraction. What is relation between addition and subtraction? They are opposites of each other. Okay, for this let's see. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now I will show you relation. Now this 6, if you subtract 6 minus 4, what is 6 minus 4? 4, 5, 6, 2. 2 is your answer. Now if you subtract 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 will give you 4. So what is an addition, relation between addition and subtraction? They are opposites of each other. Checking subtraction. How to check subtraction? The difference you get, you add to the smaller number and you will be getting the greater number. How is it? We will see with the examples. We will do with smaller numbers. 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2. To 2 you can add 3, 4, 5. 3 numbers. Now here 5 is the greater number. Two is the smaller number and 3 is the difference. Isn't it? 5 is the greater number, 2 is the smaller number and 3 is the difference. Now we will see, if you add the difference and the smaller number, 3 plus 2, what is 3 plus 2 children? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5, the greater number. So how we are checking subtraction? Checking subtraction means add the difference to the smaller number, you should get the greater number. Now we will do one more example. 2482 minus 161. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 itself. So this is your difference. 2321 is your difference. To this you add the smaller number. So let's check. 2321 plus 161. Let's add and see. 1 plus 1, 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 1, 4 and 2. 2482. You got your greater number. This is how we are checking subtraction. So with this, we are winding up our chapter subtraction. I hope all this is clear to you. Do all the problems in your textbook and prepare well, children. Thank you.